follow. 3, 2, 1.
And we're up.
I was thinking about who to follow.
Just whoever it tracks onto. Hopefully this is working. Be very cool for some B-roll. I'm not going to take it back into the forest yet. I'm going to try a lap around this field. See how it's doing. Seems to be working so far. Now on the bicycle, it could keep up around 15 miles an hour. So I'm only going about 10 right now on the Dual Sport. Ow. I've got it set on medium follow. We'll take a sharp left here, see if it keeps us. It has kept us so far. And now we'll test it out by going through some woods right here. I think close follow might be better for this kind of stuff, but I can't easily swap it without getting my phone out. Honestly, from what I can tell, I can't wait to look at the footage, but from what I can tell so far, I'm very happy with it. I bet it'll be way better on close. Not too bad, right?
Not too bad.
Yeah, that was on medium. I'm gonna put it to close.
Yeah.
I think it'll look better. I think it'll do better on close. Hit a tree and dropped my bike. And the drone caught it all on camera. That was epic. See that big tree right there? I hit that with my front wheel and it didn't move. All right. I just hit a tree. And my shoe's untied now. It's not really following much closer at the moment. I noticed on the bicycle that it seemed like the close follow it would keep the same curves and such that you took. The same turns, it would keep them a lot easier and smoother. If you do a medium, it will try to cut off some of the curves and stuff, which will sometimes make it hit things. Still seems like it's on a medium. Doesn't seem that close to me, but I will see if it hits the ground right here when I go up the hill. See, it does close up really close though. Nope, did pretty good. Going up a ledge again. Did good once again. And I'm just going to like ride home and just see if it can follow me around this speed, around 12, 13 miles an hour. It's doing it so far. Probably going to make it great for recording those slow technical sections, hopefully in hard enduro and such. It's still there. It's almost like having another friend on your ride with you. I think it lost me. Guess I started going too fast.